Hello, Mang.
Con đang học. Hello teacher.
Hello,
Đi em mở quạt.
Mang.
Em mở quạt hộ anh đi.
Mang, Mang.
Mi sửa lại giường đi. Giường.
Oh,
Giường. Sửa lại đi.
okay, so she's okay.
Thế
So how are
gập
you,
chân vào đi.
Mang? Mang? Oh, your
À,
brother
chết
is
mày.
there. Hello, good
Cô
evening.
chào em này. Cô
Who
vừa
are you
chào em.
calling, Mang?
Hello teacher.
Hi, good evening.
Ơ,
How are you today,
ủa?
Mang? Are you okay, Mang?
I'm good.
Okay, that's nice. What did you do? Did you play soccer today? Did you play soccer? Did you play soccer? Can you hear me, Meg? Yes, you can. Did you eat dinner, Meg?
À, no, 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 no.
Oh, no, you did not. Okay. So now we will start right away, Meg. Let me share my screen and we will have this activity right here. So look at the given picture and you have to complete the question and as well as statement. Now, does
That,
blank like milk? Yes, see blank. Okay, look at the first picture, Meg. Yes, Meg.
ờ, đất lại, đất dịu lại milk.
Mm-hmm. Does she like milk? Does she like milk? Continue, Meg. Does she like milk? Yes, she. Yes, she.
Yes, she.
Is it yes, yes? It should be is she hungry? Okay, is she hungry? Yes, she is. But in here, Meg, it starts with does. Is does she like milk? Yes, she is. Are you sure, Meg? What do you think? Hi, Meg.
Ờ, let's see it.
Yes, she. Okay, not if, Meg, because our question doesn't start with S. Just like in here. Is she hungry? Yes, she is. But in here, does she like milk? Yes, she does. Okay? Okay? Okay, Meg.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what about for picture two? Look at this. Okay, what is she blank? She's wearing a blue blank and yellow shorts. Mm-hmm.
What is she hungry?
What is she? Look at the second picture, Meg. it. What is she? Look at the second picture, Meg. Look at the second picture.
What is she hungry?
It's
What
not
is
what
she?
it's not what is she hungry.
I don't know.
She's wearing a blue, black, and yellow short. He's wearing, Meng. What is he wearing? Okay. What is he wearing, Meng? He's wearing a blue. He's wearing a blue what? Yes, Meng. He's wearing a blue. Hi, Meng.
A blue and yellow sock.
What's this? No, he's not wearing a blue and yellow short. Her short,
A
Meng.
blue shirt
Okay, a blue shirt and a
and yellow
yellow
sock.
shorts. Okay, yes, that is correct. What about for three? Three. Blank. He wants. Yes, he blank. What do you think? What do you think, man? What do you think is the missing word? The missing question word here? Yes, Ming. What are you doing, Ming? Hello, Ming. What are you
Uh,
doing? Mm.
eats he one egg that he eat.
Mm-hmm. If he wants eggs, no, we don't say that, man. It should be does he? Okay, does he want eggs? Yes, he. Yes, he. Can you continue? Does he want eggs? Yes, he. Yes, he. What do you think? What are you doing, Meng? Are you doing something else, Meng?
No, that he
Okay.
eat.
No, not yet. He is, Meng. I told you already that if a question starts with does, we will end the answer with does too, right? If it is a positive one, does he want eggs? Yes, he does. Okay? Yes, he does. We only use is, Meng, if our question word starts with is. Is he hungry? Yes, he is. Okay. Is he hungry? Yes, he is. Does he want egg? Yes, he does. Does he like milk? Yes, he does. Okay. Are you still there, Meg?
What he what dog?
What does he want? What
What
does he
dog he
want?
want? He he want spaghetti.
Okay, yes. He wants spaghetti. He wants spaghetti, Meg. Now, moving on, let us proceed to this. You have to listen to the audio carefully and you have to answer this question.
Page 41. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
Do you want an apple?
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
What about for that? Do you want an apple? Do you want an apple? What? The response of the kids, man. What's the response of the girls?
Do you want an apple?
Yeah,
She. Yes, she is.
she is.
She
Did you
run.
No, you did not listen to the audio, man. You did not listen to the audio. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing? Are you playing, Meng? Okay, because in here we're not supposed to fill in what we just want to fill in, Meng. We have to listen to the audio. I told you earlier to listen carefully, right? Okay.
I
Well,
don't.
yes, you don't know the answer because you are not listening. Okay. So now let us listen to it again.
Page 41. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
Do you want an apple?
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
Okay, how about now? Do you want an apple? What did the girl and the boy respond, Meng? What did they respond? What did they say? Do you want an apple? When mom asked them, do you want an apple? What did they say? Yes.
She is.
Is it yes, she is? This question, what about if I ask you, do you want an apple, Meng? Do you want
Yes,
an apple?
I done.
Yes, I don't.
Ah,
Yes, it should be yes, please. Okay, it should
yes,
be
eat
yes,
the
please, or no, you. Okay, this is the polite way of saying that you want something or you don't want something, Meng. Now let us continue to the second one.
2,
What's your phone number?
It's 555-0182.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
chew.
Okay, so what do you mean it's 2222, Meg?
I'm done.
Okay, it's not that. That is not what we've heard, Meg.
It's 555-0182.
Mm-hmm.
It's 555 two.
Oh,
Two.
oh, one,
Two.
8.
1 2 8
Okay, yes.
two.
What's 222, Meg? Like two train?
I know.
Okay,
I
okay, well, so now, Meg, let us proceed to this one. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to look at the items right here and tell me which are food, dairy products, and clothes. What's this, Meg?
Format.
It's a
Format.
it's cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, cheese is it food, dairy products, or clothes?
skirt, shirt,
Okay, so when we say cheese, Mang, it is a dairy product. Okay, so we'll write cheese here. Okay, cheese. Now, what about the next one? What's this? What is it? This one, Mang. What
uh,
is it? What is it?
cheese, shirt,
No, it's
seat,
a skirt. Skirt.
bird,
Skirt. Skirt. Can you
skirt,
say skirt? Okay,
skirt,
skirt. Is it when we say skirt, Mang? Is it a food, dairy product, or clothes?
sh-
Skirt is it a food, dairy product, or clothes? Yes, Mang. Skirt. When we say
skirt,
skirt, Mang, yes. Is it a food, Mang? Can we eat the skirt? Is it a dairy product or a clothes? Yes, Mang. What do you
spaghetti,
think? No. We're still in the second one, Mang.
cut,
You
cut,
said yes. And where does it belong? Should we write it in the food, dairy product, or clothes?
yeah,
What's yes, Mang? What's yes? When we say skirt, is it food, dairy products, or clothes? What are you doing, Mang? What are you doing? Are you playing? Are you playing?
I don't know,
You don't know? How come you don't know? Okay.
food,
So again,
food is cheese, meat, milk,
yes,
cheese,
you know. Mm-hmm. Okay, you know the answer, Meg. And that is not a question. However, when it comes to categorizing where they belong, you don't know. Okay, wait.
I don't know,
You have to categorize if the item is a food, a dairy product, or clothes.
Bạn phải phân loại mặt hàng đó là thực phẩm, sản phẩm từ sữa hay quần áo.
Okay, that is what that.
cheese,
Okay, so now when we say
food,
cheese,
food,
it's a
food,
dairy product. Dairy product, man. It's a dairy product. Now, what about skirt?
clutter,
Okay, yes, that's correct. Skirt. Now, what about this? What's this?
food,
What is it?
a dairy product,
It no, it's not a dairy product. It is a food, Meng. But I'm asking what is the name of this food? Is it spaghetti? Is it a salad? Is it steak? What's this? What's this? It's
Eat
okay. French.
food.
Okay, it's French fries.
Beat is food. A beat is
Okay, French
dairy
fries.
product.
Now, what about this? What is it?
Dairy product.
No, it's not.
Food.
It's meat. Yeah, it's meat. So it's food. Now, what about this?
Dairy product.
Okay, yes, it's a dairy product. It's milk. What's this?
Slaughter.
Okay, yeah. What is it? Is it pants? Is it pants? Skirt? 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 What is it, Meg? It's it's short. Okay, it's short. Short. Okay, so now let us proceed to B. Now, does blank apple? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Okay, can you complete this one, Meg? Can you complete the question? What are the missing words? Does
That apple.
does
That yes he that
does mhm,
yes he
yes
that
she does. Does blank apple? What should we fill in?
no she that
No, she doesn't. Okay, no, she doesn't. So in here, Meng, you have to answer it. Does she? Okay, can you continue? Does she? Does she?
what she wearing
Does
a
she
dress.
have? No, we are not answering the second
She
one
has
unless
no.
we're done. Does she have? Does she have an apple? Okay. Does she have an apple? No, she doesn't. She has a banana. Okay. Now, what about for two? What?
What she
What?
wearing a dress.
Okay, yes, she's wearing a dress. What's she wearing? She's wearing a dress. That's right. Now let us have this one. Okay, so in here you have to tell me the answer to each question. What is he wearing? He's wearing pants. Does he have apples? Does he have apples? Does he have apples?
Yes he done. I said he
Okay,
done.
yes. Yes, he does. Yes,
Yes
he does.
he done.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Yes, he does. Now, do you want spaghetti? Do you want spaghetti? What is the answer here?
Yes.
Is it yes?
No
Look at
she
her.
done. No she done.
No, she don't, but we have you. So it's referring to the person directly, Meg. Do you want spaghetti? Do you want
No
spaghetti?
she done.
No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay. Remember, Meng, that we only use no, she doesn't if our question starts with does he? Okay, does he or does he want spaghetti? Yes, he does or no, he doesn't. What about for the last one? What does she want?
She want a salad.
Okay, yes, she wants salad. Now let us have this. Look at the pictures and tell me the missing responses. Do you want an orange? Is it what is your phone number or yes, please? Do you want an orange? What's your phone number? Or yes, please?
Yeah, please.
Okay, what about in here? It's 9420381. What about in here? X, what's your?
No. No. What's the number, Z, please?
Okay, so it's what's your phone number? It's 9420381. Okay, do you like milk, Meng? Do you like milk?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you do. Okay, I see. Thank you so much for your time. Goodbye, Meng.